Om Shakti, Guruvadi Charanam, Tiruvadi Charanam. Our beloved spiritual Guru, Bangaru Amma, in answer to our prayers, has opened the temple and is allowing us darshan now. Bangaru Amma descended onto this world to spread the teachings of Annai Adiparashakti and to eradicate the grievance of every human being. Our Guru Amma protects and guides us in our every action. She eliminates our ignorance and alleviates our miseries through her boundless grace. About a fortnight ago, Amma had ordained that universal prayer for the eradication of corona pandemic was to be held on the 1st of September 2020. Later, on the same day, we miraculously received announcement from the government permitting the opening of all temples. But Amma had given us the blessing even before the official announcement. In spite of witnessing such magnificent compassion and grace, we continue to be influenced by petty anxieties and jealousies, endlessly comparing ourselves with others. We are always anxious for Amma's blessings during Pada Puja or Arulvaku for ourselves. We perform volunteering services to receive more grace. Yet we continue to hold skepticism about the incarnation of Amma as Bangaru Adigalar. In contrast to this, an insightful perception of children and the youth regarding Amma is astounding. Once, a grandmother who was suffering from breathing discomfort was unable to walk or carry out any of her daily chores. Her grandson, during a phone call from London, enquired about her health and asked her the reason for not talking to him. She explained that she could not speak to him because she was not well. Her grandson, a small child, immediately responded to her with a question, "Why did you not pray to Jaiji Tata? He would have cured you." "Don't worry, I will pray to Jaiji Tata for you. Tata will take care of you." Jaiji Tata is a customary mode of referring to Guru Bangaru Amma when speaking to a child. The next morning, much to her astonishment, grandmother was able to wake up from her bed and move about without any pain. She had been suffering from the ailment for a fortnight by then. Her breathing discomfort was completely cured. Her grandson called at 10 a.m. that day from London and asked, "Are you okay, grandmother? I prayed to JJ Tata to give you good health. Hope you are fine now." The grandmother was surprised by the faith of the small child. She realized that our beloved spiritual Guru, Bangaru Amma, resided in the heart of small children and also guided them. Amma has always protected us and still continues to do so. Bangaru Amma has prescribed various medicines throughout the pandemic to protect us. And she continues to guide us through her omniscient oracles. Preserve nature. Nurture good thoughts and feelings. Discipline your senses and strive for pure devotion. Donate food and offer charity. Reduce negative emotions such as greed and enmity. Amma even shed tears worrying about our ignorance in not following the path paved by her. Our beloved mother, Bangaru Amma, has sacrificed every moment of her life in safeguarding us, her children. Amma always protects us through her amazing love and insightful guidance. We are incredibly blessed to have taken this human birth in this era of Amma's incarnation and to be able to interact with Avatar Bangaru Amma directly. Make use of this wonderful birth and this rare, extraordinary opportunity that has been gifted to us. Om Shakti.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.